Good morning everyone. Now today I am going to explain you chapter number 7 of your book. It is in page number 40. The name of the chapter is The Magic Bed. This is the chapter adapted from the edition of the Hartwell James. Who was a Hartwell James is that he had edited many such stories for the children's, and the Magic Bed is one of the such stories. As you know the name, such as the Magic Bed. It is a fairy tale, and in this story, the East India. It is the East Indian fairy tale. In this story, a prince is there, and you can see the picture also in your book, because it is on page number 40. He is a prince, and when the prince is met with the ant, the ant is this praising of the telling him the quality of the Princess Lulan, and then he met with the tiger, and then here he had advised that only it can be possible when he met with the fakir, and because the fakir having a magical bag, through that prince can go and meet the princess. So how the things will be going on, that all we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. One day, the very hot day, a young prince, or the Rajkumar as they are called in India, had been hunting all the morning in the jungle, and by noon had lost sight in his attendant. Attendants means servants. So he sat down under a tree to rest and eat the cakes which his mother had given him. When he broke the first cake, he found an ant in it. In the second, there were 2. In the third, 3, and so on. Until in the 6th, there were 6 ants, and the ant king himself also. So it is the story of a very hot day. There was a prince who, or the Rajkumar in an Indian story, as we are saying, as they are called in India, that had been hunting all the morning in the jungle. A day he went to hunt, and there he was just hunting, and then he was just, and by the noon had lost sight by his attendant. He had lost the ways. Who? The prince. And then he sat and just want to eat the cakes which his mother had given him. When he just broke the first piece, he had seen that an ant is there. Then he had seen the other pieces also. Then he had seen that the ants were there. So what the prince is saying, that I think these cakes belong to you more than they do to me. Said the prince to the ant king, take them all, for I am going to sleep. So as in the cake, ant was there, so the prince gave it to the ant, and he told that just take it all, and he himself had decided to take the rest. Next paragraph. After a while, the ant crawled up to the prince's ear as he lay there dreaming, and said, we are much obliged for the cake and have eaten them now. What can we do for you in return? As that time the prince was taking the rest, so the ants were eating their cakes. So now the ant crawled in the ear of the prince and just spoke. What? That she is the ants were very grateful for the kindness of the prince, and they were just asking them what can they do for him. So the prince replied, I have everything I need, replied the prince in his sleep. I cannot spend all the money I have. I have more jewels than I can wear, and more servants that I can count, and I am tired of them all. So there's a ant has asked him, and that time when the ant travel and go near the ear of the prince, that prince was quite sleepy. नींद में ही वो बोल रहा था कि तो then the prince had replied he had everything, the jewelries, the house, the servants, everything, and he is now fed up with all that. So you would never be tired of the princess Lalun, sorry. Replied the ant king, you should seek her, for she is as lovely as the morning. So as the prince had replied, he had everything. He don't need anything. So he is also fed up with all that. Then the ant had replied, then go and you never be tired to the princess Lalun. So when the young prince awoke, the ants were gone, and he was saddened because he remembered what the ant king had said about the princess Lalun. The only thing for me to do, he said to himself, is to find out in what country this princess lives. So he rode on through the jungle until sundown, and there beside a pool a tiger stood roaring. So now the prince having the aim, to find out from where the prince Lalun is. So now he had just decided to find her. So he just start doing the riding and start searching the princess Lalun in the jungle. While he was riding, and he had reached a place near a pool from where a tiger was there. See, the tiger is there. And the tiger was roaring up because he was not hungry. So the prince had asked, are you hungry? What is the matter? Then, I am not hungry. Then the tiger replied, I am not hungry, but I have a thorn in my foot which hurts me very much. Thorn means kata. And replied the tiger. Then the prince jumped off his horse and looked at the tiger's foot. He pulled out the thorn and bound some healing leaves over the wound with a piece of cloth which he tore from his turban. As he was ready to mount his horse again, a tigress came crashing through the jungle. So, as now the prince knows that he is just suffering from the thorn. So, the prince just take it out, put some medical herbs leaves on it, and just tied it up with his turban. अपनी पगड़ी से उसने कपड़ा निकाला और एक हर्बल लीव्स से उसके ऊपर लगा करके उसको बाइंड कर दिया, बैंडेज कर दिया वहाँ पर. Then at that time the tigress came and she was just saying that it is the very good smell of the human beings flashes coming. So now how nice, she cried. Here is a man and I can eat him. No, indeed, replied her husband. He has been very good to me. He has taken a thorn out of my foot and I am grateful to him. If he wants help at any time, we must give it to him. So now, as the ant had told him to help him any of the time, the same way the tiger also told him that any of the time, whenever the prince will be needed, he will give him the help. We would much better eat him, grumbled the tigress. But her husband growled so in reply that she bounded off into the deep jungle. But the tigress wanted to eat. But because of the tiger, the tigress didn't eat him, and she is just moved up in a jungle. Thank you. In next rest of the chapter, I will discuss with you in my second video. Thank you.